In this question, we want to calculate how long is it expected to sell the closing stock of 465 cricket bags. They're telling us to use the closing stock in our calculation, and that's no problem because we have calculated that. Okay, so one more time, we want to calculate how long. That means our answer is going to be in days, okay? Our answer is going to be the number of days. And we're talking about closing stock. So this is what I do. So we want to say uh, how long to sell closing stock. Now, you will be given many different formulas to calculate things like that. I'm not going to go over it in this video because you will be taught this in school, or it will be in your textbook or guidebooks or whatever. But this is the formula I'm using here. I'm going to say closing stock at the top, okay? And at the bottom, I am going to use the difference of this amount. So essentially, cost of sales. And then we're not done. Then I'm going to multiply it by 365. Why? We're trying to calculate a number of days. Okay, so essentially, if you calculate this or if you add in the relevant figures, then at the top of the equation or the fraction, our closing stock was 641,700. We calculated this. I said our cost of sales is basically the difference of all the stock during the year, all the stock movements minus our closing stock. So if you do this minus this, you should get an amount of 416,700. I think that's right. I'm not entirely sure. And then we're going to multiply that by 365. If you calculate this, you should get an answer of 56.3. Don't forget that your answer is in days. Okay, so it's expected to take 56.3 days to sell our closing stock. Okay, so and that's the calculation I use. Like I said, it's all different, and you should get 4 marks for this.